my channel, welcome to a new video. Today's video is going to be an unboxing, well kind of unboxing because it's in a bag. As you can tell by the little title, I went to Harrods. Basically I went to the Harrods at the airport. I was going to say store, but obviously I had to go to the airport. When I was coming back from England, I knew that I had to pop into Harrods to pick up a particular designer bag, as you can tell by the title. So I am now a proud owner of the Longchamp Le Pliage in the black with the long handles, and this is the size medium. Now they do come in different sizes, and there are different sizes for the long or the short handle. Now obviously wanted something that was easy, especially if I wanted to eventually use it for work. Short handles won't cut it. I need something that can go on my shoulder like that because it's just easier to use, and that's why I went for the medium as well. I think the small would be a bit too small for me. Maybe I can consider getting a smaller one at a different date, but this is the one I went for, which is the medium. This actually fits the Louis Vuitton Never Fall Inside. Yes, I did try it because I've seen a lot of people use the Never Fall Inside if it gets wet, but then again, why would you wear two different designer bags in one? But anyways, basically this is the bag. This is how it comes packaged, and then you open it up and you fold it out, and it's this size right here. Now this is the black, as I said, and this retailed for £80 in England, but I got it for 66.65, which is round about, I think it was about 76 euros. Now I could have got this when I was coming from Malta. They had them in duty free, and I can't remember the prices. I think it was about 75 euro, because I think it was 100 euros retail, but then you get it with the discount. So I think it was about 70-80 euro. But I did get it probably cheaper from England, thinking about it, because they have 20% VAT and you get it VAT tax free. So yep, all the jigger, but I wanted to get my mum one, so I got my mum a navy one, and then I picked up the black one. Now obviously there are two different handles, and there's so many different colors and sizes. I wasn't sure which one I actually properly wanted, but I think going with the black would be a safe bet because I can use it for different other things. And these are leather straps, as you can see. Let's see if I can zoom in. So they're leather, coated leather, and then you have the gold button, and then you open it up. That's what you see inside. So there's a button then here, and then there's a button on the back where you tie it, and so on and so forth. There's the cute little Longchamp little zipper. See if it, there we go. So that's the gold zipper, which is on here. And then if I open it to show you guys some more information, if you're interested in purchasing one of these, it's basically lined like the same, and it's quite spacious in here, and it's that kind of material. This is nylon material, if I'm not mistaken, and it's, oh, I just find myself in the nose. It's lined, so it's like kind of waterproof, especially on the outer outer like material, if you want to call it. So I think I'm quite excited to use it. I haven't used it yet because I really wanted to film this video. No joking, I wanted to film this video before I actually used it. And then if I close it in the front, it does have a pocket, just in case. I put to show you guys quickly. It does have a pocket, so if you open it, it's very tiny though. So as soon as you open it, oops, I'm going to find myself again. In front of this, so in front, not underneath, but in front, there's a small little oh, there's something in here. Let's see what's in here. Oh, there's a Longchamp. Oh, there we go. It's just like a little long pamphlet of how you can open it and how you can store it. Look at here. That's quite handy. So that's in a little pocket. It's just a small pocket, just maybe to put your keys, something easy and stuff like that. And then this is what it looks like closed. My manager has one as well, so I thought that we're twins now, so it's kind of cute. So my manager has the black one as well with the long handles and everything, and I love it and she loves it, and I'm kind of glad that I asked for another second opinion about it, because like I was so happy that she had one and she had the exact same one, so I thought, do you like it? I hope I got the right thing. And she said she loves it and she uses it for work, so it was nice getting a new designer brand that wasn't as expensive as a Louis. I look after it just as much as a Louis, but I just feel, you know, you can't go wrong with a Longchamp, and I've wanted one for ages, and I'm so glad I picked one up. So I did buy something else from another Harrods at Heathrow Airport, because they one that has lots of like little things from Harrods, and I picked up this little card holder. This is the card holder that I picked up. It's a fuchsia color. I remember I think 2 winters ago when we went to England before, they had a baby pink or lilac, and I have to admit I kind of feel bad that I didn't pick that one up, but this is still just as gorgeous. It's got the gold like Harrods sign. I'm hoping this is going to focus. There we go. So it's got the gold hard side. It's got a little piece here. You have in the middle, you have something in the middle where you can keep your stuff. This is basic. This was £10 instead of £12, and then at the back you've got another 2 sets of card holders. So I think it's just a really cute little card holder. There we go. So that's basically what I picked up from Harrods. I do want to use this a bit, use the Le Pliage Longchamp bag a couple of times, at least for maybe 6 to a year, and then we can do the review on it and how I feel, like what I'm using, how I feel using it and stuff like that. Usually I give it a couple of months when I'm constantly using the bag before I can give it a proper review. So we'll do our wear and tear on the Louis soon, because I know a lot of people have been asking me on the wear and tear of the Louis. But the Longchamp, I do a proper review if I like it, if I hate it, if I should have got a different size later on after I've started using it. So I hope you like this unboxing. Thumbs up if you did, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a lovely day wherever you are, and I'll see you shortly. Bye guys.
I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time.